Mason. Hi, Mason. Happy Thursday.
Hey Mason, happy Thursday. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is a working kitchen. It's an active kitchen. We use it every day, all the time, for everything. Today, I'm going to show you how to do my rustic bread. Generally, it's 4 ingredients, but today, I'm going to make a rustic cheese bread. So I'm adding a few additional things. All right, here, let me show you what we got on the table. These are the ingredients for today. Flour, yeast, salt, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, cheddar cheese, and milk. I'm going to mix all these up and we're going to get our bread started. Rustic bread is basically 4 ingredients: flour, salt, liquid, milk or water, and yeast. I've decided to spruce this up and add some garlic, Italian seasoning, and cheese to it. Make a herby, cheesy bread. First thing we're going to do, add the salt, and then take your balloon whisk and just incorporate the salt. And then we're just going to add the rest of the ingredients one by one, mix it, and we're done. So after that, in goes the Italian herbs, in goes the garlic. Get it all in there. Mix it around, incorporate, and then we're going to add in the yeast. The reason I started baking bread in Japan is because it was very difficult to find different styles of bread at a reasonable price, conveniently. So we have our dry ingredients incorporated. I'm going to add the cheese, and then I'm going to add the milk. Take a wooden spoon and just mix it up till it's called, what I guess they refer to it as a shaggy mess. It's very wet dough. So yeah, how did I start cooking? My mom, when I was growing up, always cooked. My father, when I was growing up, he always cooked. We didn't eat out a lot. So when I grew up and moved out on my own, I had already had that habit of watching people cook, and I was poor, so going out to eat wasn't such an option. Well, it smells really good. You can smell the herbs and the garlic. And I was living in Oregon, and in Oregon there was this really big vegetarian, raw eating, healthy diet movement. Even the fast food stores, even some of them were really focused on health. So I think it was there that I started really fending for myself and cooking for myself. Occasionally I would go eat out and I would say, oh, I could make this at home. I just started trying to reproduce dishes that I had when I was eating out. And I started using cooking books. And sometimes I would be watching the TV and there was a cooking show on or some sort of cooking segment on a program. I think that's how I really started learning how to cook. So that's my dough. It's kind of come together. It is wet and sticky, but this is all you're going to do with the rustic loaf. Now I'm going to cover it, let it prove up for a number of hours, anywhere between 1 to 18, and then we'll come back and finish it up, okay? All right, bro, see you in a minute. Welcome back. So our dough has doubled in size. You can wait till it's tripled or gone up by 4 times. Doubling is okay. So I'm gonna take it out, I'm gonna split it, I'm gonna fold it a few times, shape it, stick it on some prepared sheets that I have back there, cover it, and set it up for the second formation. All right, well Mason, we're in the middle of a typhoon here. And in Tokyo, it's not too bad. A lot of wind today, a lot of rain, kind of off and on. But man, I see where you're at in California. Dude, those fires, that's something else. That's nuts. So I'm wondering, would you rather be in a place full of typhoons and earthquakes, or a place that gets razed by fires every year? I'm not sure for me. I think I'll take my chance with the earthquakes. So here we go. We got one kind of rolled out and folded and shaped. I'm gonna put it there and we'll see you in a little while, okay? That typhoon is really kicking up the wind right now. No rain, crazy wind. So the bread's done. Well, it's finished fermenting for the second time, right? And it's about doubled in size. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the towel, the plastic, and stick it in a 240 degrees Celsius oven for 22 minutes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna score the tops of these with a knife to slash it. Into the oven it goes. I'm gonna turn these at the halfway point, but I'll see you when it's done. The timer just went off, so the bread is done in all its cheesy, herby glory. Let's open up the oven and see what we have. Ooh, smells delicious. Oh, look at that. That looks really delicious. It's been about 45 minutes, almost an hour since I baked this. Usually I let it sit overnight or something, but I want to show you what it is. Check it out. Looks good, huh? We're gonna cut it open now. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. There's some cheesy, herby goodness in there. Nice crumb too. Yeah, that's a winner. Oh, it smells so good too. All right, dude. I'm gonna chow down on this and I'll see you next week. All right? Peace. Here we go. Taste test. Oh man. It's so easy. You really gotta try it at home. I'll post the recipe. Oh, it's so good. I don't think it's gonna last the night. Damn.